The club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay, but I just wanted you to show me.
So many people usually love.
So today's video is on the hair that I bought from AliExpress. I got this hair from a sale. It was called the award-winning something. I actually forgot, but the sales was bomb. I actually got my hair on the last day of the sale because I didn't know anything about it. So usually when I get bored, I go on AliExpress, search like random stuff like curly hair, straight hair, just to see like how much the price is or whatever, because that's like something I like to do. It's like window shopping for me, so that's something I like to do when I'm bored or whatever. When I found out it was a sale, I was like, why not buy hair? Usually, well, recently I was buying synthetic hair. This is synthetic, but the synthetic hair that I buy is with human fibers, meaning I can flat iron it to a certain point. It can go over, I think, 350 or 400, something like that. Reason why I was using synthetic hair, because I was trying to figure out like what colors that would look good with my skin. I did orange, burgundy, a lighter burgundy, which is like a red, and I think it's, oh, and purple. It's like a plum color. It's legit called plum on the thing. So that's what I've been doing with the synthetic hair. I feel like if you can buy synthetic hair, you can buy human hair, because at the end of the day, if you buy 3 synthetic wigs, that can add up to buying 1 human wig, and the hair will last longer. That's just what I think. Like, you spend 60 to 70, however much you spend on synthetic hair. So like, okay, you get synthetic hair, that'd be like $70, and then 2 months later, maybe a month later, next month you get same 70, next month you get 70. Those 3 synthetic wigs can equal 1 human wig, and you can save money. You can have a human wig for like until the hair like end up bald, which I hope y'all don't do. But yeah, that's what I feel like. But that's not the only reason why I've been getting synthetic wigs, because I was trying to figure out like what goes with my skin color, because I don't want to buy a human wig and it don't go with my skin color. Then I would have to get rid of it, and I don't want to do that. That's a waste of money. So I just did the synthetic thing. So AliExpress had this sale, and I was like, why not buy human wig? It's all black. The hair is from One More hair vendor off AliExpress. I don't remember how much I paid. I think it was like $164, I believe. I think so. It was like $164, because I had to do the PayPal thing, so they added on extra. Yeah. One thing I like about this vendor is throughout the whole time that my package was getting sent to me, they were texting me saying, oh, your package is arriving. They was telling me how long it should take for it to like arrive to me, which is a regular thing. But when my package came, they texted me on AliExpress, and it was like, oh, we see that your hair got delivered. Sorry, y'all, I'm tired. I just got off work. So they was like, oh, we see that your hair got delivered and stuff like that. And I'm like, usually I don't answer them, so I'm like, okay, whatever. They text me, and it was like, oh, we see that your hair got delivered, and we were trying to make sure that you got your package. But yeah, this is my first time ordering from this vendor. So on the back is like telling you how to take care of the hair. Well, wash the hair. They telling you that different ways to wash it. Like if you have straight hair, deep curly and the wavy. I think I ordered the wavy. I'm not sure. Because usually when I do... So I'm going to open the box, which I already did. I'm going to show you what's in the box first. So, you know, it's around Christmas time. So they gave me a little sock. It's cute. And inside the sock is lashes. They always give you these lashes. It don't matter where you order from. They give you some little lashes. And they gave me a wig cap. I don't really use these wig caps. But on the back, is like showing you how to, it's like a flash. Anyways, on the back is like showing you how you can wear it to put on your wig or whatever. But I don't use it. It says appropriate length, stretchable, fabric, and breathable. Child, they spelled fabric wrong. They said fabric. Tabric. I'm gonna just put this back in here because I can use those lashes for something. I'm a lash freak, if you didn't know. So I think oh, I got the 26. I got the 26 180 density. And I think it was a 13 by 6. Everything is on my phone. I think it's a 13 by 6. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna just put it somewhere. Ooh, child. Giggity. Giggity. I like this hair already. I just see me giving y'all live. Not life, but live. Look at this. Girl, look at that. Look, bounce. Wait. Bounce. Ooh. Bounce. Look. Bounce. What you say? Huh? You didn't even have to smack me like that. Anywho. Wait till y'all see. Ooh. She broke her neck. Child. Ooh. Okay. Let me just put you down this way. But, yeah. That hair is bomb. Like, it's soft. I can't wait to put it on. Okay, so, but yeah, I like this hair so far. I'm gonna put the link in the description. The reason why I've been so not posting lately because I ran out of ideas, but I came back. I rejuvenated. And I have like some ideas that I want to do. And my next video, you probably gonna see me. My next video, you probably gonna see me wearing this hair, cause I can't wait to put this hair in. I don't think I can wait till Christmas to put this in. You feel me? Really much to say, but I hope you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be coming back with another video because I got more packages I need to open. It's actually sitting on my dresser looking at me like I want to open it so bad, y'all. I want to open it so bad, but I'm gonna just wait till I get on camera to open it. I can't even tell y'all what it is. Just wait till the next video.